Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I have a different series that I'm going to start, and that is a what I decluttered in whatever month it is, and that would be May. It is actually Memorial Day, so there's a few days left in May, but I'm pretty sure this is all I'm going to declutter at the moment. Also, I do look splotchy, and it's because I didn't put makeup on except for mascara and lip gloss because I'm trying to get a little bit of a tan on my face because I'm going to be outside today, so, you know, if anything looks red and stuff, that's why. So as far as decluttering this month, because I have just done what you saw, my closet declutter and living room declutter thus far, you're not going to see any like makeup or like weird stuff in it, and that's because I haven't done those declutter videos, so it wouldn't make sense to have any of that in this because I haven't done the full declutter yet. But I have a lot of clothes that you saw me keep in my closet declutter, and I have been testing stuff out and being like, do I really want this? Because I have less stuff now, so I have less things to pick, which is nice because it's not very overwhelming, but then I can actually put those things on and be like, this is not what I thought it was gonna look like. So the first thing is, and I loved this and I wore it all last summer, I wore it a ton, and it's so soft. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's just a romper off the shoulder. It looks so adorable with a little flannel tied on the waist, like so cute. But I'm just like not as into the off-the-shoulder stuff anymore, so I've been getting rid of a lot of it, and this, unfortunately, is going to be one of them. Anything that I'm showing now is most likely 100% going to go on Poshmark. And then I am getting rid of a Lululemon sports bra. I had two of them that were in the same length. This cut, I just don't like it on me as much as the other one, so I'm going to say goodbye to this. It's in like perfect condition, so Lulu does really well on Poshmark. I am for sure gonna end up putting that on there. It is a size 10, so it's a little bit big actually. So 10's like a bigger size of a medium when it comes to the Lulu website. And I'm actually in like an 8, so I needed to get rid of it anyways. I'm getting rid of these Lily Pulitzer for Target lounge shorts. I actually wore these a lot. It's just that I realized when you're in the wind outside, the little flaps like blow up some, and I don't, it's stupid, but like it shows like your leg area and like kind of near your butt too much where I'm like not so comfortable, so I think I want to get a pair of longer shorts at some point. I haven't found them yet. This is brand new with tags. Actually, if any of you watch Sarah Bell on YouTube, which I love her, and she has a Poshmark, and I actually bought this off of her Poshmark, and this was shown on, this is like a web of things, JoJo from The Bachelorette, and I love her as well, and it's very cute, but it's just not my style, and I think like because it was Sarah's, and it was like worn, JoJo had worn this like exact piece, not this one, but you know what I mean. I was like, I need it, and then I bought it and I didn't need it, so that's gonna be sold. I purchased this on Poshmark. I get a lot of stuff like secondhand on Poshmark and also stuff that's new on Poshmark just because like when I sell stuff, like I'll use that balance sometimes to buy new things. And this is from Faithful the brand. I had to take a slight intermission because my battery died. Anywho, what I was saying is I only buy Faithful off of Poshmark because it is expensive and I don't like spending that much money. But I found this dress. It's just an off-the-shoulder dress. It's one I still liked off-the-shoulder stuff, which I do. I just don't think it looks that great on me. But I got this in a size 6, and with Poshmark you can't just like return things, and or not a 6, a medium, a USA medium, an Australia 10, UK 10. It's huge. It's just like I would definitely need like a extra small or small. Faithful runs big. It's weird, and I forgot that, and I bought this, and it's just like it doesn't work. It doesn't want to stay on my shoulders. It's like huge everywhere else. So I definitely recommend that for a size large USA. Not a medium. It might even fit like extra large too, I don't know. And then I'm getting rid of this tank top. It's new with tags. I'm actually just going to put this in the garage sale. It's not worth selling on Poshmark just because like it's $12.90 retail, and Poshmark takes out a lot of fees, especially if it's under $10. It takes out even more, so I'm going to put that in the garage sale and not sell it. But I had 2 tanks, including this one that was kind of similar in color, and I was like, I just don't need that. I did have 2 pair of running shorts in my closet declutter, and I said I probably could get down to 1, and I am, because I put these on recently to wear them to run, and my butt was hanging out, and I was like, that's not happening. Even though I run like inside, like I do my treadmill downstairs, I'll run outside too, and like I would never feel comfortable wearing these doing that. Actually that's gonna go in the garage sale because I'm not gonna sell that on Poshmark. Workout gear, I technically sold a pair of Lululemon leggings already. It was supposed to be in this video, but I got too anxious and I put it on, and like they always sell like within the same day. And I'm selling these 3 from Till You Collapse. I just love my Lulus so much more. If I didn't have Lulus, these would probably be my favorite. But because of that, I don't need these because I'm always reaching for my Align pants over them. And because they're so like new, I think that these can get really good homes out of them on Poshmark. So I got rid of those. I got rid of 1 pair of Aligns, and that's because, and I sold them for $85. Like, it was a good deal for me because I wanted a new pair of Aligns. That's why I got rid of 4 pairs of leggings. So I could justify it, and I would have like the money to do it and not have to spend any of my own. It would just be more of like a replacement from Poshmark. And I got the monochromic ones, the black ones, and they're like kind of shiny. They're so nice. You'll for sure see them in a video. They're like probably one of my top 3 favorite leggings at the moment. I told you because I had 2 pair of black jeans and a pair of gray jeans I was going to get rid of one. I'm going to get rid of these Abercrombie & Fitch ones. They're in super good condition, so I'm just going to sell those. I just don't pull them over my other ones. And then I also am going to get rid of these Abercrombie & Fitch jeans because I finally found a pair of non-distressed jeans that I love. These are mid-rise and I wanted a high-rise. So I no longer have use for these, although they are beautiful because they have like rose gold detailing on them. And then I have 2 more items. I have a dress. I wore this last summer when I went on vacation. It's a very beachy, cute little maxi dress. I'm 5'4" and it hits me probably like it's a little bit above my ankle, so it's good for like the shorter girls. And it was very lightweight and very nice. I just don't really think I'm gonna be pulling it much. It's more like vacation-y, so I'm gonna get rid of that because, again, like if I'm not gonna wear a ton, I don't think it's worth holding on to. And lastly, I'm getting rid of this pillow. This has been on my little couch in my room, the love seat, and I just don't think that I'm in love with it anymore. It's from Pier 1, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the garage sale. So that was everything I decluttered in May. Leave in the comments below if you want me to keep doing these videos. I'm definitely going to have a lot more probably next month because I'm going into like other stuff, and I am still decluttering clothes as I go. It's kind of cool. I like seeing my closet just like dwindle down, especially with like pieces that I don't necessarily love. Anyways, I'm gonna go. It's like super hot. I'm sweating. I am sorry. I look really gross today. I hope all of you had an awesome May, and then my next video will for sure be an empties video for May. Okay, adios. Love you. Bye.